Well, so I'm a sucker for vintage or retro or even styled vintage items, and I just happened to see this 8-inch table fan at Walmart. It was 23 bucks, 22 and change before tax, and I noticed that it's very retro styled, very close to the styling of the old fans from, the 30s and 40s. No, it's not the same thing, and it's probably far cheaper construction, considering this thing was only, essentially 25 bucks after tax. But it's really a basic fan. It has a manual control, 3 speeds, oscillation, tilt adjustable fan head, a carry handle, fully assembled, and no tools required. It is UL listed, amazingly, and of course made in China. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. So we have an instruction manual. Please do not return this product to the retail store, of course. Basically a bunch of warnings. Piece of cardboard. And it comes out of the box very simply. Nothing else is in the box. So let's go ahead and pull this plastic off. And here you have it. Now, if you're like me, you're probably wondering how much of this thing's actually metal. Obviously, the shroud is. The body is. So it seems that pretty much everything's metal. Now, is it a zinc alloy of some kind or some sort of Chinesian metal that this thing's made from? More than likely. Again, it is a $25 fan. But on the flip side, it is made out of all metal. There is no plastic construction on this thing other than the knobs and probably some other smaller parts. Let's go ahead and plug her in. And this is the oscillation with the little knob that's right here. So I turn the oscillation off. It's got a real vintage style switch here at the bottom. That is plastic. Very quiet. But it moves an okay amount of air. It's not going to blow itself away. It's a very quiet fan. Turn the oscillation on. That's pretty damn cool. I mean, honestly, for the money, and for, it's a fan, it pushes air, I think it's a good deal. I mean, just the fact that it's made out of all metal, none of the body parts are plastic, I could definitely recommend buying one of these. Now, is it going to last forever? Probably not. But will it work as a fan for quite a while, as long as you keep it clean? There's no doubt in my mind. It's, these are simple machines. They're not really going to break unless they're abused. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is definitely a cool little fan, and hopefully I can get some use out of it.